In this tip of the day, I'd like to talk about using colors as a visual cue for Toolpath within OneCNC. For example, let's say the floor of this pocket requires a very high surface finish. Well, you might set up a policy at your shop that anytime you see geometry that has an orange pocket floor, that's a visual cue or a reminder that the floor of that pocket requires a high surface finish. Now, it's very easy to color the faces of a solid model within OneCNC. You can head over to the Command Manager, select Model Colors, from there select Color Surface. And then from this color palette, you can select whatever color you'd like and then simply left click. However, let's take this a step further. If we were to head over to our NC Manager and let's preview our toolpath, you'll notice now that the only color we're seeing is the color of the original solid model. Let me show you a technique in which we can actually see the different colored faces. Let's close down the preview toolpath. Let's go back into the Command Manager and now let's select our model operations. And from there, we're going to select Break to Surfaces. I'm going to left-hand click, and then when we're finished, you're going to see now that the solid model is now a bunch of individual surfaces. This makes absolutely no difference when it comes to applying Toolpath. However, it gives us the advantage to change these surface colors and see them within our preview toolpath. So if I were to hit the letter S on the keyboard, select that surface, go into our Alter command, let's change colors again to this orange. We'll click OK to that, deselect, and now when I head back over to Preview Toolpath, you're going to notice now we're going to see all those individual colors. Very, very nice. So again, using colors as a visual cue for Toolpath can be very beneficial. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.